Hello, everyone. Good morning. So today we're gonna be doing vocabulary, right? And the first word here you can see is commentary. The directions to be sure to use Google or a dictionary to assist you in finding the definition of the words in the purple box below. The first one is done for you, which is commentary, right? You got the definition, the synonyms, an image or description of the image in mind, a sentence that shows your understanding of the word, or antonyms. And of course, if you can't find an image, then you can pretty much describe what it is that you have in your mind or what kind of image you think would represent the picture, the word. So let's do an example really, so to show you how you can access this. So the word that I have here is powerful. Now there are a bunch of different websites you can use that's online. You have dictionary.com, like Google, Rhyme Zones, but you just have to search. Like, where would you find? You have your phones. Technology is useful in that sense. You can really just use a different amount of online platforms. Now you might already know what the definition of powerful is, right? But say you didn't know. You can go to a new tab, right? And you type in, what does the word powerful mean, right? You get a definition here: having great power or strength. Now, of course, strength would make more sense. Having great strength. The other thing that you could also do is that you could go dictionary.com, right? And they give you the potential meanings, word games, learning, writing, and so on. All right. The thesaurus is also another type of dictionary that gives you a bunch of different synonyms likely for words. So let's put in powerful. And here it gives you some more definitions: having or exerting great power, physically strong as a person, so on and so forth. We know that using the word or similar part of the word in the definition is unlikely to make sense, because we still want to know what power is and powerful. So I'm going to use the second definition here, which says physically strong. Right? I don't have to use as a person. We just would physically strong. So what I would do is click the enter key, and then I click Control B, or I go up to the top and click B, so that way my word is not bolded, and I put physically strong. Right? Now synonyms, I probably want to know different words for powerful. Of course, I could think of something like strong, right? So strong is one word. I might want to put a different word. Let's go to Google again, right? Different words for power, right? And it gives me a whole bunch of different ones. But depending on my definition, I might not have what they have here. But I like the words force and I like the word strength. Ability is saying that you are able to do something, but I like the word strength and force. So I'm going to use that for my synonym: strength, force. All right. Then now I have antonyms, which is just the opposite of what the word means, right? So let's see. I would put weak. Let's see again. Let's see a different word, different opposite words for power. And again, you can go dictionary.com and so on, right? You got the word impotent or weakness, right? Weakness. Well, I already have weak, so I don't have to put weakness, but that's pretty much what I mean. Now, a sentence could simply put, the dragons were so powerful, they crashed through the door with ease, right? It didn't really take them much time to crash through the door. So that's my sentence right here. Now, an image. Now, a few things that Google Docs allows you to do, right? If you zoom out a little bit, if you notice up here where it says file, edit, view, insert, format, all those things, you can click in the box right here, right? And then you can click insert and insert image. You may either upload from your computer or you search on the web. You got the URL, which is like the www dot, such and such. You go on, right? So say for instance, I have a URL. I'll go to a new tab and I'll just type the word powerful, and I'll click on images and I'll see a bunch of images that's showing strength. Say, for instance, I want the first one. What I'll do here is that I'll right click, or if you have a Mac, you double click and you open the image in a new tab, right? Or you can copy the image's address, right? So that's what I'm going to get, but I'm opening the image in a new tab. I go there and I click the URL for the image, right? Which is in the section where double copy it. And I go back to my document and I click insert image by URL. I paste the URL in there and I click insert, right? And the image is there. I could also copy the image. Right click and I copy image, just the image, right? And then I go back here and I just paste the image in the box. And there it is, right? There's a bunch of different ways you could do that. And that's my first word out of the way. So, so once you're finished now, right, you go on to the next word and you do the same. All right, the first one is done for you. The second one is also here if you need assistance with it. Okay, well, happy vocabulary hunting. We're going to be doing more of this.